Ahmed Sékou Touré, first president of Guinea, trade unionist, Pan-Africanist and authoritarian leader, was born on January 9, 1922, at Ferrana, Guinea, a town on the banks of the Niger River. Sékou Touré formed Guinea's first trade union, the Post, Telegraph and Telephone Workers Union, in 1945. He also helped create the country's first general trade union in 1946, the Federation of Workers' Union of Guinea, which was associated with the French communist-led trade union movement. Devoting most of his time to trade union work, Touré led strikes and protests often openly against French colonial rule. Touré was a key player in the massive strike in 1953, which resulted in the first decisive victory of African workers over their colonial masters. This workers' victory held out great promise for larger political triumphs under Touré's able political leadership, which had begun in 1946 when he, together with other nationalist leaders, founded the Rassemblement Démocratique Africain. In 1956, Touré was elected Guinea's deputy to the French National Assembly in Paris, a member of the Guinea Legislative Assembly and the mayor of the city of Conakry. After campaigning successfully for independence during the de Gaulle referendum in 1958, he led his country out of the French community, saying that the notion of a continuing French community would maintain our status of indignity and our status of subordination. We prefer poverty in liberty to riches in slavery. Although modest in comparison to the needs of his people, the progress he facilitated endeared him to his compatriots, who in turn continually returned him to power in democratic elections until his death. He died of a heart failure in a hospital in Cleveland, Ohio, on March 26, 1984. A true African hero.